blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. Each time your heart beats, it pumps blood into the arteries. Your blood pressure is highest when your heart beats, pumping the blood. This is called systolic pressure. When your heart is at rest, between beats, your blood pressure falls. This is called diastolic pressure. Your blood pressure reading uses these two numbers. Usually the systolic number comes before or above the diastolic number.
A reading of 119/79 or lower is normal blood pressure, 140/90 or higher is high blood pressure. Between 120 and 139 for the top number, or between 80 and 89 for the bottom number is called prehypertension. Prehypertension means you may end up with high blood pressure, unless you take steps to prevent it. High blood pressure usually has no symptoms, but it can cause serious problems such as stroke, heart failure, heart attack and kidney failure. You can control high blood pressure through healthy lifestyle habits and taking medicines, if needed.
Diabetes is a disease in which your blood glucose, or blood sugar, levels are too high. Glucose comes from the foods you eat. Insulin is a hormone that helps the glucose get into your cells to give them energy. With type 1 diabetes, your body does not make insulin. With type 2 diabetes, the more common type, your body does not make or use insulin well. Without enough insulin, the glucose stays in your blood. Glucose comes from the foods you eat.
Over time, having too much glucose in your blood can cause serious problems. It can damage your eyes, kidneys, and nerves. Diabetes can also cause heart disease, stroke, and even the need to remove a limb. Pregnant women can also get diabetes, called gestational diabetes.
A blood test can show if you have diabetes. Exercise, weight control, and sticking to your meal plan can help control your diabetes. You should also monitor your glucose level and take medicine if prescribed.
For healthy living, we should have a healthy and balanced diet. A healthy or balanced diet is a diet that contains the right amounts of all the food groups. Food pyramid. Grains forms the base of the food pyramid. Grains. Daily caloric intake come from grains. Grains that a person eats daily are rice, wheat, quinoa, oats, barley. These are used to make food like bread, cereals, chapati, pasta. Try to use whole grains food. They are prepared using the entire grain, including the hull, or outer shell. They provide more nutrition. Refined grain food has poor nutritional value, because the hull of the grain is removed during the refining process. Grains are rich in carbohydrate. It gives energy for our body. Above grains comes the fruits and vegetables. Fruits. A balanced diet also includes plenty of fruits. It is better to eat whole fruit instead of its juice. Fruits are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Vegetable. The vegetable group includes leafy greens, like kale, spinach, cabbage, lettuce. Red or orange vegetables, like carrot, beetroot. Starchy vegetables, like potato, tripica. Legumes, like beans and peas. Other vegetables, such as eggplant, lady's finger, capsicum, broccoli, etc. Vegetables are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We can eat vegetables, raw or cooked. It is important to remember that cooking vegetables removes some of their nutritional value. At the top of fruits and vegetables comes the protein and dairy products. Protein. It includes meat, fish, egg, beans, peas, legumes and nuts. These foods are rich in protein, and also has fat. Dairy. It includes milk, yogurt, cheese, butter. It is rich in calcium, fat, and protein. At the top of the pyramid is the oil, salt, and sugar items. Only very less amount of this should be consumed. A healthy diet should include a varied selection of foods, in proper quantity. Your plate should be like this. Fill a quarter of your plate with grains, for example brown rice, wholemeal bread, rolled oats. They are called energy-giving food. Fill a quarter of your plate with protein food, like meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, nuts, beans, tofu. They are called bodybuilding food. Fill half your plate with fruit and vegetables. Vegetables and fruits are called health-giving food. Along with this, add dairy products, like milk, yogurt, cheese. Drink plenty of water, at least 6 to 8 glasses a day. It helps to keep our body hydrated. The greatest wealth is health. So follow balanced diet, and stay healthy.